In this video, we shall find the Cramer Rao Lower Bound for the estimator theta, given the Poisson distribution with parameter theta. This is the distribution. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing to do, we have to recall the Cramer Rao inequality. The Cramer Rao inequality states that 1 all over n expectation of the differential log function of the given function x theta, in this case all over the differential theta squared. So that means we have to use all of this to find the Cramer Rao inequality. Whatever we get, we have to compare it with the inequality itself. So, given we are given f of x theta to be equal to theta x expectation of negative theta all over x factorial. The first thing to do is to take the log function, that is the f of x theta, to take the log function. So right, take the log, take the log. To take the log, we have bring f of x theta to be equal to, now we'll take the log function of this whole function here. So we have x ln theta. If you take the log function of exponential theta, we get negative theta. And if you take the log function of x factorial, we get negative ln x factorial. This is what we get. So we succeeded in taking the log function of what is given. The next thing to do is to differentiate with respect to theta. You differentiate with respect to theta. So we say take the derivative with respect to theta. We take the derivative with respect to theta. So we have differential mean function of x theta all over the differential with respect to theta to be equal to, if we differentiate this function here, we get x all over theta. If we differentiate this function, we get negative 1. If we differentiate this function with respect to theta, we get 0. Because there is nothing like theta here. So we get negative 0. Which is the same thing as x minus theta minus 1. So this is what we have for this function. Now, the next thing to do, we have to take the square. This is square. We have to take the square. So we say the differential mean function of f of x theta all over the theta is equal to, sorry, all square is equal to x minus theta minus 1 square. So we have to expand this. We expand because whatever we are doing, we are comparing it with the Cramer Rao inequality. So we expand this. We move over to this side of the board to write the expansion. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So if you expand this function, we'll get differential mean function of f of x theta with respect to theta all squared will be equal to x all over theta from quadratic minus 2x all over theta plus 1. That is 1 squared. This is what we get. So if you open the bracket, we get x squared all over theta squared minus 2x all over theta plus 1. This is what we get. So the next thing to do is for we to take the expectation. That means we'll now write what we have from the Cramer Rao inequality. We have our expectation of this whole function. Unit function of f of x theta all over the theta squared. Now we've imputed our expectation. So we'll write the expectation here, which is x squared minus theta squared minus 2x all over theta plus 1. So if you take the expectation, we'll get expectation of x squared all over theta squared minus 2 expectation of x all over theta plus 1. So this is what we get. But we say from Poisson distribution, our expected value of x is equal to theta. Since we have theta as our parameter, and we have our expected value of x squared to be equal to theta squared plus theta. So what it means that whenever we see theta x squared, we put theta squared. Whenever we see expectation of x squared, we put theta squared plus theta. And whenever we see expectation of x only, we put theta. So that is what we do. So we have to move over to this other side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so it then means that for the expectation of our given function f of x theta all over theta squared is equal to, now whenever we see expectation of x squared, we put theta squared plus theta. So we have theta squared plus theta all over theta squared minus 2 into expectation of x, which is theta, 2 into theta all over theta plus 1 plus 1. Now, if we take the LCM of these two, we get theta squared all over. So this into this will give us theta squared plus theta. This into this will give us negative 2 theta squared. And this into this will give us plus theta squared. So this is what we get. Of course, if we open this, if we expand this, we get theta squared plus theta minus 2 theta squared plus theta squared. 2 of this minus 1 of this. So we have theta squared all over theta squared. Of course, this function will cancel this function to give us theta all over theta squared. Now, this function will also cancel this function to give us one all over theta. So we have 1 over theta as our expectation of the differential mean function f of x theta to the theta squared. So this is what we get. The next thing to do is to impute our n. From the Cramer Rao lower bound inequality, there is an n here, and it's 1 all over this. So we have to also compare our answer with the Cramer Rao lower bound. We still move over to this side of the board to show it. So, for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now we have our Cramer Rao, we have n expectation of mean f of x theta all over the theta squared to be equal to n into 1 all over theta, which is equal to n all over theta. Now, by comparing with the Cramer Rao lower bound inequality. By comparing the Cramer Rao lower bound inequality, which is 1 all over n expectation of the differential mean function of f of x theta the theta squared is equal to, since we have 1 here and we have n all over theta, it then means that this will move over to this other side of the board. This will move over to this other side to give us theta all over n. So this becomes the Cramer Rao lower bound estimator for theta, given the Poisson distribution. So this is how we can simply estimate the unbiased estimator of theta, given the Poisson distribution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.